The army cannot be personalized by anyone, and it is not a platform for the size of power. ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa says. Sabina mashuka mdato kapana pana Chris Muchangwa chiti aiwa, the military cannot be personalized by anyone. Panguwa inatona kuti ma protests aiwa nema calls a resignation emtungamiri wenyika achi-intensify achilidwa na Bob Shogeza. Ibo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ndimina pana pa the news zokusomdanyira titi. This comes as President Emmerson Mnangagwa's political supporters are standing firm in defiant resistance to mounting internal pressure from war veterans. Key allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's military-backed ZANU-PF faction fighting the rival camp, loyal to the president. In the aftermath, yesterday's mass action, stay away. Mnangagwa, who first came into power through a military in November 2017 before legitimizing himself through disputed elections. Chiwenga are locked in a fierce succession battle for the heart and soul of the ruling party. Chiwenga and Muchangwa, among others, were part of the November 2017 coup, supporting Mnangagwa before a bitter fallout. They were fierce. Chiwenga's faction would leverage the army to remove Mnangagwa, as repeatedly demanded by war veterans led by Blessed Gesa and his comrades. Mnangagwa recently coup-proofed his rule by removing Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, a key Chiwenga ally, replacing him with Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. General Philip Vario Swata is the Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander. Mnangagwa also recently made some leadership changes at the police and intelligence service in a bid to thwart Chiwenga ndomashikambanyiro panapa aiwa tiri kuona kuti aiwa is the power struggle intensify mamoves ari kuitwa aiwa ne the ruling party pamwe chete nemutungamiri wayo mausadamudzo Mnangagwa anotaridza kuti aiwa they are trying to stop these calls pamwe chete nema-suspected protests angastajewa pamwe chete kueliminata aiwa ma-possible threats angauya achizokonzeresa another fallout yakamboitika muna 2017. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi peda kumasection medu. So unsubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.